All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So the great folks over at Zetaza decided to send me over their Galaxy S21 FE screen protector setup, and I'm going to put it on for you here today. So I appreciate them sponsoring this video as well. And look at this. Protection of God. Wow, I've never seen anything like that on a company's logo, but I'm in agreement. All right, so let's get this open. And I wonder if there's a frame in here. You get, oh, I see it. I see it. Yes, you get 3 of these. So if you bought your entire family a Galaxy S21 FE, you guys are gonna have 3 sets. So you get 3, 3, and 3. Let's line this up here and just show you how beautiful this is from the company. And you get all this for 10 bucks, folks. This is value to consumer, because if some families go and they buy stuff for the family, and they all get the same phone. It happens all the time. And so here we are, nice presentation that I just laid out there. All that stuff came out of that box. Let's get my case off here. I actually have a screen protector on here, but I'm going to remove that one. So let's get one of each. And again, I appreciate them sponsoring the video as well as also sending over the item. So let's get this taken out here. And here's the glass. It looks exactly like my current glass. A little thicker though, I like that. It's got a little bit more weight to it, believe it or not. And then this is the rear protector, which is something I don't have right now. So I'm pretty excited about that. You get a nice glass rear protector. And then in here, let's get it out. You get your wet wipe. Going to be a little thing to remove dust and help you line it up if you needed to, but this has a frame, and you got a little microfiber cloth here. I won't use this microfiber cloth, to be honest, because it creates lint. So I suggest that you invest in a nice microfiber cloth. It's going to do you some justice. So let's get this off here, and we'll go ahead and get the new glass put on. This glass is brand new, but yeah, I can tell the difference in this glass. This glass is kind of thin compared to the glass I'm going to put on. So I really probably don't need to clean this too much, but I'm going to go ahead and go through the process, because this is what you would do if you got this new in the box. Hope you guys are having a good day. I am. I appreciate all the new sponsors I've picked up in 2022. There's a bunch of them, as you guys probably noticed. Most of the content on the channel has been sponsored, so it's a blessing. So I've got that taken care of. Now let me get my microfiber cloth. Again, no disrespect to the microfiber cloth that comes in the package, but it's not going to ever match this one, because this one is 10 bucks. And it's a very good microfiber cloth with 2 levels. So, all right. Now that I've got it very clean, I'm going to go ahead and remove even more dust. If I can get this off. Don't troll me, don't troll me, don't troll me. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and just take it all the way around. Then I'm going to put the frame on. And then we're going to drop it down in there. All right. It says top on here as well. So even after I put it on like this, I still go through with this dust removal thing here. And then I also go back in again with the microfiber cloth. And just, because once you put your glass on there, folks, it's on there. And if you have bubbles or you have dirt, you have to remove it. So I'm very particular about this part of the procedure, because I think you should just take your time. You only have to put this on once, and it's probably going to last for the life of your device. So now when you think it's clean, you peel off this first level here. Yeah, this glass is much thicker and really good quality, it appears so far, just handling it. I always give it a once over before I do it. And then sometimes with these glass or drops in like this, some of them you have to like push it in and then take the frame off. So that's just what I'm going to do here, because it's such a big thing around there. So, all right. So it's working its way through, and all that dust is on the outside. So I'm gonna just give it a little push here. Now, any bubbles that you see when you're doing this process, most of mine resolve themselves within less than a day. Like on video, sometimes when I'm doing these videos, you'll see like a bunch of bubbles on the edge or so. But you saw my glass screen protector that I just took off, and that thing cleared itself up right during the video, I think, or just a little bit after. So if you see bubbles right away, you just kind of work them in. But I've learned that unless it's dirt, it's just the glass will heat up more, and the adhesive that comes with these types of screen protectors will do well by themselves. So this one, let's test out the touch sensitivity. Fingerprint reader is still working, as you can see. I didn't set it up because I kept this video going straight through. Touch sensitivity is there, and I'm happy with it. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah. So again, don't worry about the little bubbles on the edges when you do have this putting on a new screen protector sometimes. As long as you got all the dirt off, that's just going to be the adhesive needing to seal up. So there it is, folks. A beautiful tempered glass setup here. Let's go ahead and do the rear before we get out of here. Now this is one that I kind of worry about because this phone has a curved area right here for the glass. It's curved. So let's hope this sits flat enough, and I'm sure they've tested it out, obviously. Let's hope this sits flat enough. So we'll go ahead and peel that off. And we'll drop this down. Oh yeah, it sits centered is what it does. Oh yes, I'm so crooked with this. Doing this behind camera sometimes can be just, oh boy. But we make it look so easy, don't we? Okay, there we go. And with this, you can, since it's a darker color also, you can see how it's sealing up there. So yeah, this one is, I'm gonna be honest, not my favorite. I probably wouldn't wear this because this is a curved, even though it sits flat, but it's just, I feel like this would come off. And what I'm gonna do is put my case back on. Yeah, I got it lined up just right for the case, that's for sure. So now I guess I'm not too worried about it. I do recommend you set up your fingerprint readers again. So you get your case, you get your rear protected, your front protected, and you are on your way. So this is your man Jay. Case is, the screen protectors are case friendly. They line up perfectly fine. Because this is a Poetic case and completely different company. But there it is, it's your man Jay. Again, appreciate them sponsoring the video and also sending over this great combination here. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care.